Hello everyone, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today it is a snow day here in Alabama. I know if you're from the north you're thinking it's not really that big of a snow day. It is for us because it never snows here. This wind is probably fierce. Hold on. In the Jeep, I'm here to pick up Addison. And we are headed to my mom's house. My mom made pancakes and the kids are over there, so we're going to eat some pancakes real quick. And then the plan is to all come over here with the four-wheelers and the kayaks. We're going to tie the kayaks back behind the four-wheelers and go out in the cow pasture because there's huge hills out there. And we're going to tear up the snow day.
It's a snow day.
What have you been doing? Sledding?
I think she's got bacon stuck on her teeth.
Mom made pancakes.
Spit it on the counter.
Okay, so the snow has almost melted before we got out here, so we're just gonna have a redneck day. Wave, Alyssa! Wave at them right here. Hey! There's lots of hills out there. So we're basically, instead of playing in the snow, we're playing in the mud. Thank goodness hardly anybody had to work today. Addison lost her phone out here, and there's cow patties everywhere. Joseph found it. Oh no!
I found it, but she's gonna have to get it.
Oh, that's not even bad. We're good. We're used to this. Kayla and all them was like, ooh, cow poop. Me and Addison's like, eh. Just waller in it a little bit. This is good. Good to go. Okay, y'all, we are back inside. The snow is like completely melted. We had our fun with it. So now I'm inside. I went to the post office, had to ship off some things, and then I got some fun things in the mail. So I'll open those up real quick and show y'all. And then we're gonna make a soup, or get the soup good on the crock pot. I'll show you about that. And then we're gonna get some kind of a hot beverage because it is pretty cold today. First, I went to, like I said, my P.O. box, and I got a really sweet Valentine's Day card from one of my friends, Tammy Lowry from Ohio, it says. So she sent me a sweet little card. And I also got a little thank you note. I think this is to one of my giveaway winners. This is from a Tanya, I believe, or Tanya. So sweet. Let's see when this was dated that she sent it, January 2020. But I love my sweet little cards. And then I also got a little package to open up. Get it out and we'll see what it is. I'm gonna open it like this. Sorry, I look rough. Y'all saw riding four-wheelers outside. So got a cute little Valentine's Day mask. I love the pattern on this. This is Holly. Thank you for your help with me regarding Young Living. You are the best. Conley Ansley. This is so cute. It's like a bunch of little surprise packages. Oh, so sweet. There's a bunch of little felt hearts in here. Oh, this is cute. I think she handmade these. This says hugs. This one says D and H, Drew and Holly. And this one says XOXO. And then, I'm probably going to have this right now. This is hot cocoa bombs. It says, if y'all never had these before, they're pretty awesome. Let me get it opened up and I will show y'all what it is. This is so cute. These little cupcake holders. And then I have a white chocolate one. It's a heart. Look how cute this is. And then I also got a chocolate one too. This is the cutest. I think I'm about to have this chocolate one right now. Thank you so much. This is a fun little surprise. Another surprise today with the snow day. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. We were like, man, we wish that it would have stuck and we could have played and it would have lasted longer. It didn't last a long time at all. But now we are all like, okay, we had our snow day. We're ready for spring. Bring on the spring. Are y'all ready for spring? I know that I definitely am. Okay, so the house is a disaster. I'm going to kind of go through and show y'all. I'm going to do like a quick power clean, like quick clean up. Show y'all the soup that I made, where you can get it. There's a recipe for it. I have a cookbook for it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I put that in the crock pot to warm up. It's about 2:30 here, and Drew gets home around 3:30ish, and we're gonna have the soup tonight with Miss Althea and them. So I'm gonna get that going so y'all can see everything. We had a fun little Valentine's Day event Sunday night at our church. Well, our church put it on, but it was at a very beautiful place that they redid in downtown Clanton. It's like a wedding venue, and so we had a fun event there. It was so nice. We all got to dress up, and there was a balloon arch that we did for it, and I brought it home, and it was up a little bit cuter than that, and I put it up for the next couple of days just to enjoy for Valentine's Day. But I think what I'm going to do today is go through and take down lots of all the crazy Valentine's Day stuff, just kind of pick up a little bit. So I'm going to clean up that balloon arch. And then I'm going to take down, I just threw up all this stuff like I'm telling you, it looks terrible. I threw that up there one day, going to take that down. I'm going to take these balloons away. I think I'm even going to go through and take down the stuff that says like kissing booth. I think I'm going to take like the red hearts away. I think I'm just going to pack it all away today is the plan. Take that away. I loved it and I thought it was so cute, but I think I'm just going to go through and just kind of clean up a bit because I feel like I have stuff everywhere. Like there is just decorations, and I don't know, I just want like a clean new slate, kind of go through and redecorate and reorganize. So you'll kind of see towards the end of this video kind of like where things are going to be from now until the end of February, and then in March we'll definitely start thinking about spring and taking away lots of the red. So I'm going to show y'all kind of the things here and there that we're going to take away and what I'm going to keep up, because I still wanted it to be like romantic and some pops of reds and just still some warmer, deeper colors, because I mean, we just had a snow day, so it's like a warm month. But I'm just going to go through and take away, I call it like the tacky stuff, like all the glitter, the balloons. I'm going to take all that stuff away. So here is the soup. Like I said, we had it last night, and I'm reheating it, and I added a little bit more seasoning and some more kale to it. So I'm going to get that going. It came from this cookbook, the Magnolia Table Volume 2. I have the first one, and I loved it. We cooked a lot of stuff from in there, and I've had this Volume 2 for a while now, but I just decided to go through it the other night. Actually Valentine's Day night, Drew and I went through it and found some things to try again. And so they have this soup. I was holding it with this, hold on. This soup, and I will link it below in my Amazon shop so you can buy it. But it was really good. So I'll link this if you want to try it for some more cold days ahead, because I'm sure that we're not out of it yet. Show y'all the mess real quick, show y'all what I'm going to clean up. So my roses are about done for. I'm going to get rid of those, and then these are some flowers that Drew got me for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to end up putting those in this big pretty vase and just doing some cleanup of all my flowers, because I've had them for a few weeks now and they're just kind of dying off. So I'm going to do that. Our pipes actually froze, so I had to go get some water from Miss Althea and them's house. So I'm going to use this to make my coffee with. Some clothes. These are my pajamas that I threw off this morning to put on my snow clothes. Drew's Crocs, and just a little bit of other little things that I need to clean up. I'm gonna get my diffusers going and just give the house a good pickup real quick. We are about to make some hot cocoa with this cute little hot cocoa bomb. So I'm gonna make it with the Keurig, just because I have lots of things that I need to be doing as far as getting the house cleaned back up and what I want to do for the day. So what you do is this little heart, this little chocolate heart, on the inside of it has hot cocoa powder in it, and so whenever it gets really hot, it busts open, and then you mix it all together, and it's real good. But I'm gonna add some sweet creamer into it also to make it even more sweet. So I'll have me something hot to sip on as I'm going through cleaning up everything. I am gonna leave all this Valentine's stuff on the coffee bar until the end of February, because I do love it, but just some things have got to go. hot cocoa is ready. I'm gonna put a little bit of this, what is it called? Sweet cream in here. And then, of course, top it off with some whipped cream. I had these pink and white little snowflake sprinkles, so I decided that was probably the best sprinkles to use for the day since it was a snow day in February. Okay, so these flowers are about done for. So I went ahead and I put all these red flowers, all the red rose petals in this little jar. And then I also have these white ones. I think I'll top it off with the white. I was gonna look for another jar, but I think it'll be okay. I'm just gonna put these on the top for now. And then my plan is, I think it'll be so fun. I've never done this before, so nice and relaxing. I'm going to take a hot bath with these rose petals in there. Like, doesn't that just seem so nice? So I'm gonna keep those so I can get another use out of my roses. I'm gonna chunk these and then add these to this jar and get rid of some of these flowers because it's looking like a florist shop in here and it's just too much stuff everywhere. So we're gonna clean this up real quick. Okay, that already looks so much better over here. And then over here on this little area, these cupcakes have been here since the home tour, so we're gonna get rid of these cupcakes, and I think I'm gonna put a plant right here or just kind of redo this area real quick. Here's what we're doing. Everything besides the coffee bar. So all this will stay the same. All the, anything hearts or Valentine's Day related is going away. If it's a touch of red or roses, not gonna be put up. But the rest of it is going away. All this will be fine. I'm gonna get rid of my pillows and put another pillow up here. Get rid of this Ray Dunn stuff, and then my flowers are fine. But all the red Valentine's Day, all this gotta be put away. So y'all get a good look, because then at the end of this video, y'all are gonna see what the house looks like new and refreshed, kind of some things moved around and redecorated, just to get us by until the end of February. So let's do this. Again, I feel like I'm always showing y'all a messy office, but I feel like it just pretty much has to stay messy throughout this different holidays and different event seasons, because this is where I keep all the extra things. So I managed to fit all of my stuff into this box. So I'll close it up and then ask her to take this down there in the basement for me to put it in the Christmas stuff. And then clean up in here. This is stuff that needs to go back to the basement. And then these are just extra bags I need to throw away. So then hopefully this room will be pretty much cleaned up. And then this right here is a big box. I'm not going to show y'all this today. But this is a box full of Easter stuff, because I'm planning on decorating a little bit for Easter this year. And I'm excited for that. So I got a lot of things from Michael's. So this will be another video, but I need to put this up. And then also, this is what I'm really wanting to do. I'm really wanting to get a treadmill for in here. So there probably will be a video at some point, not a full video, but a video of just kind of sprucing up the office a little bit more, and then fitting a treadmill in here, because I really want to start running and exercising. And I feel like in the morning times, just because it's been so cold here in Alabama, I feel like I'll really get up and use the treadmill, because there's no way I'm going to get out early in the mornings and run at the park. It's just too cold. Have water! I'm excited, so I can finish cleaning now. What'd you have to do?
All that.
Okay, we're just gonna do like a little walkthrough and kind of show y'all what I did, how I cleaned it up. So all the Valentine's Day stuff is put away. It's just more of a crisp and clean space. And then I'm gonna start gathering some ideas that I want to do for Easter time, and then we'll switch over to spring. But I just love how this turned out, just taking away all the gaudiness of the Valentine's Day and more simple. And pretty much everything in here just stayed the same. I definitely thought this was appropriate to leave out. There's nothing Valentine's Day-ish about it. Just some pretty deeper colored flowers ready to kind of transition into spring, and still kind of that February vibe with the red roses and all. So I love how this looks. In the kitchen, same thing. I just left out some of the red velvet, and then I kept out my flowers. And then over here, the coffee bar, I did keep those little Valentine's Day touches for now until I'm ready to transition into spring. Or I don't know, I might find another idea and rearrange all this another day this week. I have to wash some dishes in the sink, but they're still working on the water, so I'll wash those in a minute. And then over here, just some plants in the window, and these roses are doing very well. So I have my diffuser going, and then I just put my little plant over here that smells up the house. It smells so good. I did keep up my Valentine's Day plates. Our soup is cooking. It smells so good. And then over here, it's just more basic and simple. Now, I am wanting to deep clean, but I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow or sometime this week. It's supposed to be really cold throughout the rest of this week, so it'll definitely be a good time to just stay in and get some housework done. My sister and I were supposed to be going out and about to shop for her house to start decorating it, but I kind of think we're going to wait till next week just because, like I said, it's so cold the rest of this week. So I'll just get some of my house things done. And then I did keep my cookies, some Valentine's Day treats over here, just because, like I said, I didn't mind just a few touches. And then over here in the living room, just tidied up a little bit. I put this really pretty hydrangea over here. My mom and dad got us for Valentine's Day, so I just stuck it over here. And then some of our books and devotionals. Now, we'll tell you all about this one. At our little Valentine's Day event Sunday night from our church, they had this little book setting for everybody at their table, and this one is called the 1 Year Love Language Minute Devotional. I'll try to see if I can link this in my Amazon shop. Drew and I have decided that we really want to spend more time together doing some Bible studies and all, and we're going to try to carve out a time either right whenever he gets up in the morning or at night. We're going to carve out between 30 minutes and an hour of our time to just spend time with God and each other and start opening up to each other more and kind of communicating more. We've just been really terrible about that, and just the message that we heard, I'll link that message actually that we heard at church Sunday. I'll link our church's Facebook page down below so you can watch those videos if you want to. So the first series was Live Like That, and then the next one was Marriage Like That, and Drew and I really enjoyed it. And it just, I don't know, I feel like in this season and this time, we are in a spiritual battle, and we really need all of Jesus. Like, we need so much of him. And so we just decided to start actually doing more at home with each other and separately, but mostly, for the most part, together, because I really just love spending time with God with Drew, and we're going to start doing our praise and worship time together. Anyway, so this is a little devotion for husband and wife. If you are interested in that, you can check out the link down below. I'll try to find one and link one for y'all. It might even be in my Amazon shop, so check that out. And anyway, just some more devotions right here. And I still kept out, this will stay out all through spring, summer. These are copper rose, probably even fall too, book covers that I got at Rustic Relics. I love those. So that's over here, and strip down the fireplace. And then I still have to look for something to go over here in this corner. I got to figure out what I want to do over here, but I just cleaned it up for now. And then our bedroom, this stayed the same, and I just took the red down. I was going to try to find another pillow in here, but I didn't mind just the white. I thought it looked very clean and crisp, so I have that. It's just all very neutral in here. And then we have the pop of my fresh flowers, just my green plants. And then also I kept the kissing booth up. I'll figure out some way to change that up before spring. And then I did keep my red roses, my fake ones, in here. And then the bathroom pretty much stayed the same. Some plants over here, and then there's the roses that I'll end up, if we ever get water really going tonight, I might end up taking a bath tonight with those red roses, or sometime this week. So it's just a very neutral. It feels like a little refresh. If I ever showed y'all where I ended up putting my white Aria that I got. This one is on sale until the end of the month. So I think they're going to discontinue it at the end of the month, at the end of February. But I put this one in our bathroom. And I want to do something a little bit different over here for spring too. But for right now, just having a clean space has been so nice. Hey friends, we're going to look this way because I need a bath after today. I am going to finish just doing a few little things in the house, and then hopefully Drew will have the water back going and I can take a hot bath because I desperately need one. I hope y'all enjoyed this little snow day with me and this little like undecorate, redecorate with me. I hope that you'll have a very blessed week, and I hope that y'all stay warm. I know places all over the United States right now is going through some very awful snowstorms. A lot of people's power's out, so I pray that y'all get that back soon, and spring is just around the corner. So maybe just a few more weeks and then maybe we can get some good sunshine. Which actually the sun started shining a lot today, so I'm very thankful for that. I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see y'all on Friday. Bye, y'all.